So, extraordinary, God has no problems at all, wonderful, glorious existence, but doubtful existence, if God exists. Whereas in our case, no doubt we exist. There's no doubt at all. Nobody has ever seriously doubted our own existence. Even the Buddhist who says there is no permanent eternal soul does not doubt that there is a continuing series of consciousness flashes. So that's what the Buddhist says. So our existence is undoubted, but a miserable existence. Problematic existence. Unproblematic, doubtful existence. Problematic, undoubted, certain existence. That centered approach. Think about all the religions of the world. They are infected with that problem, doubt. In today's world, how will you stand up against Richard Dawkins, Christopher Hitchens? He's passed away, bless his memory. But Sam Harris, Daniel Dennett, the new militant atheists, how will you stand up against them if you take a theistic approach? Whereas the other one, undoubtedly I do exist, but so many problems. Now, if you have noticed, I haven't brought Vedanta in it at all. Now I'm going to say, why did I say all of this? What does Vedanta do? That thou art. What it does is, it brings these two together. What Vedanta, great insight of Vedanta, Advaita Vedanta is, what you reach through the God-centered approach and what you reach through the self-inquiry approach, that-based approach, thou-based approach, you reach the same reality. By bringing them together, Atman is Brahman, that thou art. The realization is that indubitable, follow this is actually stunning, that indubitable, undoubtable personal existence is also the infinitude of God. The unproblematic, infinite nature of God and the undoubted, certain nature of yourselves are combined. So you have a certain, undoubted, infinite existence. That is what you come upon in Advaitic realization. If one truly understands Advaita, the more I read and study and try to realize this, I see this is an undoubted truth. It's just that we don't see it. When you see it, it is beyond any doubt. It's absolutely blazing forth all the time. Completely undoubted and completely problem-free. This is the core idea of Advaita Vedanta, that thou art. Your existence which is infinite, your existence which is certain, but we surround it with problems. Vedanta shows you those problems. Take them up. They are either the body's problems, they are the mind's problems, they are the intellect's problems, they are body-mind-intellect problems. And Vedanta shows you how you are not the body-mind-intellect. Avasthatraya sakshi, panchakosha vilakshana atma. You are not any of them. The moment you see that I am not any of them, the limitations imposed by body, mind, and intellect, when they disappear, you realize your infinite self, which is one with God. When you realize that, you see that not only is there no problem, there never has been. This whole conception of a problem and trying to get out of a problem, this is what is called Maya in Advaita Vedanta. It's remarkable good news. Not only that, it provides a foundation to all the other religions which have come before, which seems to be so contradictory. But this Vedanta, it does not deny the other religions, the other approaches. It gives you the rationale for them. What is actually happening in those? You begin to realize. From a Vedantic perspective, you can say, great when somebody comes and talks about Christ or Krishna. And you can say, great when somebody comes and talks about mindfulness and the impermanence of the empirical self. You can say, great, I know what you're talking about. Both work very well.